Hello guys, welcome to Travel Through the Earth. I'm at Frankfurt Airport and today I'm heading to London. We've just landed in London. Time to explore this incredible city. I'm on the Heathrow Express now, heading into central London. The adventure is just beginning. Just checked into my hotel in London. Time to freshen up and explore this amazing city. Look behind me. That's the famous Tower Bridge and the historic Tower of London. The view from Horizon 22 is unbelievable. Now I'm walking across the iconic Tower Bridge. Watching these famous red buses pass by is an unforgettable experience. This riverside walk is amazing. Seeing Tower Bridge from here is one of the best views in London. I'm at the London Eye now. Every corner of this city has something incredible to discover. We're moving higher now and the view keeps getting better. London looks absolutely incredible from up here. Big Ben is even more impressive up close. This view along the Thames is absolutely unforgettable. This has to be one of London's most beautiful hidden viewpoints. Big Ben looks incredible from here. Walking across Westminster Bridge with Big Ben right beside me is an unforgettable London experience. Every corner around Parliament Square tells a story. The view from here is absolutely breathtaking. Finally at Buckingham Palace, seeing this famous landmark in person is an unforgettable experience. Walking along the Mall feels incredible. This beautiful avenue perfectly captures London's royal charm. Piccadilly Circus is full of energy. The lights and atmosphere here are absolutely unforgettable. London's Chinatown is so vibrant. The food, lanterns and atmosphere here are absolutely amazing. Covent Garden has such a fantastic atmosphere. Music, history and great food all come together here. Soho has such an amazing evening atmosphere. It's the perfect place to end an unforgettable day in London. After an amazing day exploring London, it's finally time to enjoy a classic British dinner.